This is the best thing you can do to help kids be happy and healthy. Are you ready? It's peekaboo. No, seriously, it's the best thing you can do. I'm Molly and I'm 7, and this is my little friend, Ari. Say hi, Ari. Hi, and this is my neighbor, Amarjit. He has to take Ari away now to get ready for our experiment. But don't worry, they'll be back. We did it. I can't believe it. We made it to the end. We didn't drop the ball. Anyway, I wanted to do this experiment with my friend Ari because I'm worried about him. His dad isn't around much, and I know he really needs his dad's love and attention. So please promise me you'll do something special for Ari, something that will change his life forever. You have to serve and return, connect, talk, and play with him early and often. When we play peekaboo, we're building his memory and trust. When we name things, we're helping him learn language. And when we copycat, we're helping him understand other people. And I'm telling you, this can change the world.